I'm going to teach you something very interesting today. I am going to talk about the portmanteau words with you. What are portmanteau words? Portmanteau words are those words which in Hindi you know them by the word sandhi. Have you heard of this word sandhi? Sandhi used to be a combination of two words together, right? That is exactly what portmanteau also means. Portmanteau are those words which are a linguistic blend of two words, okay, and along with the words you blend in the meanings also. All right, I have got 10 most interesting ones for you. Maybe you might have heard of a couple of these before, but I'm sure you did not know that there existed this concept by the name of portmanteau. So this is going to be a new way of looking at something that you already had heard of. So let's start with the first one that I have for you. The first word is brunch. Brunch is a mixture of breakfast plus lunch. So brunch would be something you would eat around 12ish. Yeah, 12ish would mean like it's not really a breakfast and it's not really a lunch. It's something in between the two. Now, I wanted to say something here before we move on to the next one. Portmanteau words are not something that you would actually find in Oxford Dictionary. But yeah, you will find them in the Urban Dictionary. Now, difference between the two, Oxford and the Urban Dictionary, is something you've got to do for yourself, okay? That is your homework. Go and find out. Let's move on to the second one. Smog. Smog. So smog is made up of smoke and fog. So not really a word in itself, but it's a portmanteau word, and that is why it is absolutely fair to use it. You want to use it, go ahead. Even the newspapers are using it. So it's as good as saying it really is a word. Okay, portmanteau words are not really words, but they definitely have a meaning of their own and they are recognized all around the globe. Let's move on to the next one. Shopaholic. Shopaholic is shop plus alcoholic. So if you are a shopaholic, it would mean to you shopping is what drinking is to an alcoholic. So you're so addicted to shopping that you are almost an alcoholic of shopping. And that is when you call yourself a shopaholic. Let's move on to the next one. Frenemy. Frenemy is a friend and an enemy. So somebody who is your friend and also your enemy, you would call that person frenemy. Okay, interesting one, right? Let's move on to the next one. Hangry. I mean, that's one of my favorite ones. Hangry is hungry plus angry. So you're hungry and because of which now you're angry. Okay, and that is actually it's a very used word these days and it completely defines me. I completely lose my temper when I'm hungry and hunger just takes over me. And that's something people around me recognize about me. Let's move to the next one. Bollywood. I'm sure this one you must not be expecting. Bollywood is Bombay plus Hollywood. So basically, Hollywood of Bombay. Okay, that is what Bollywood would mean. Okay, so Bombay plus Hollywood. Film industry of India, right? Next one. Electrocute. Electrocute would mean electricity plus execute. So, killing somebody by electricity or injuring somebody by electricity would mean electrocuting that person. Ideally, it should mean killing someone because execution would mean killing. But yeah, we also use electrocute to instead of not just used for killing but also for injuring. Okay, so if somebody has burn injuries from electricity, you would say that the other person was electrocuted. Okay. But yeah, ideally it should be used for killing. Let's move on to the next one. This one is very common these days. Glamping. Glamping is glamorous camping. So you have all these amazing, beautiful, luxurious tents set up for you. Yeah, that is what glamping would mean. So you're living by a riverside or maybe somewhere in the countryside for a day or so. Okay, and you have luxuries of a 5-star hotel set up in a tent. That would mean you are glamping, okay? Glamping somewhere. Glamorous camping. Let's move on to the next one. Liger. Liger is lion plus tiger. Yeah, so offspring of a tiger and a lion would be called a liger. Staycation. Staycation would mean stay plus vacation. So staycation is a newer concept and it would mean that you are, instead of roaming around while you are away from your home with your family, you are staying in and just enjoying and participating in activities with your family. So going away for a day or so, okay, it need not have an overnight accommodation, okay, but you're going away for a small short trip, but not really going outside, just staying inside and enjoying with your family. That is what a staycation is. It's a newer concept and many people are actually indulging into it. Nowadays, many people go to, they book resorts and they book five-star hotels where they just go with their family, enjoy a day or so, and then they come back without having to go anywhere shopping and going to fun parks and all, you get the idea. So that was all I had for you. There are many more, many more. A very common one would be sexting. That's also very common. Probably you can look it up for me and let me know in the comment section. Okay. So this is it. These were 10. I will be back with more such fun videos. Till then, you take care of yourself. Bye.